This tutorial covers the options for using the club calendar on the Night Sky Network. Log into the network to see these features. Posting all your upcoming events on your club's Night Sky Network calendar increases your chances that the public will find your club and its events. You can keep the calendar on your club website up to date, and you can import your events from Night Sky Network into an iCal-compatible calendar, like Google Calendar, Outlook, or the calendar on your smartphone. From any view of your events on the Night Sky Network, like the list of upcoming events, just click here on Download Events to iCal. The displayed events are downloaded into an iCal-compatible file, ready for import into your chosen calendar. If you're on a mobile device, the system will send you an email with the file for adding or updating these events in the calendar on your device. To keep an up-to-date calendar on your club's website that pulls your events directly from the network, go to your club home and select Edit Club Setup. From the Calendar Preferences tab, you can access code to insert a flash widget of your calendar from the Night Sky Network into your club's website, like this club did. If the widget is displayed on a device that doesn't recognize Flash, it will always show a link to your calendar on the network. Let's move on to logging events. Reporting on events where you use Night Sky Network toolkits and other resources earns you more toolkits and recognition for your outreach to your community. To log an event already on your calendar, after the event is held, select it and click Log this event. You only need to complete the information on this tab to log the event. If you used Night Sky Network toolkits, be sure to mark which ones you used at the event. Add photos up to 5 megabytes in size. Let's walk through how to add a new event. From Events, select Add Log Event. The first tab needs to be completed, whether you're adding a new event log or adding an upcoming event. For including images, links, and text formatting in the event description, watch the tutorial Personalizing Messages and Forms. Put in the date, time, and pick which calendar. Generally, if the event is open to the public, you'll want it included on the public calendar. If it's an event for club members, or for a particular group, like a school, the event should only show up on your own club's calendar. If you're not sure which calendar it belongs on, click on Which Calendar for a more detailed explanation to help you decide. To select a location for your event, just type in a few characters of the facility name, address, city, or state, and select the location from the list. If I just type in my state, I get all our locations listed. You can just submit the event now, but let's go to the next tab. If you set Remind Me to Log This Event to Yes, after the event it'll appear in the Club Coordinator's Open Items list with a reminder to log it. What time club members can come to set up their equipment goes here. If it's an event for the public, you might want to ask for help from other club members. So, say how many members you need and ask them to RSVP. Any information or instructions for visitors or club members about the event goes here. Remember that you don't need to duplicate any information that's already included for the location. On the next tab, you can include a link to a website and add attachments. For example, if this was a board meeting, you might want to attach the agenda and the minutes from the previous meeting. The last tab is the event log, but this is only completed after the event is held. Let's submit the event and see how it looks. Click here to see how the event appears to the public. Then, if you need to edit the event, you can jump right to the tab you need to change. If you hold a lot of similar events, Select Duplicate this event. You can duplicate it on a single date, or select the lower half if it occurs weekly or monthly. If monthly, put in the correct values and the date range, and press Submit. You're given a chance to make a few changes, or delete the ones you don't want before scheduling them. Now, it's your turn to add your upcoming club events.